I really hope you guys like this video because this is taking forever. What's up guys, this is Steve with TronicsFix. We've overheated the PS4, the PS4 Pro, the PS4 Slim. We've overheated the Xbox One S and Xbox One X, and now it is time to overheat the Nintendo Switch. In order to overheat the Nintendo Switch as quickly as possible, I'm going to remove the back cover, the metal plate, and I'm going to unplug the fan. To do this, I'm going to be using an iFixit driver with a PH00 bit, and then the other bit we need is the Y00. You can find links to these tools in the description below if you'd like to purchase them for yourself, and I highly recommend the iFixit toolkit as it's very good quality. But for now, we're just going to get this done quickly, so that's better. Now we just need to unhook this little ribbon cable right here that connects the fan to the motherboard, and then we'll get it put back together. There we go. And this is the ribbon cable I'm talking about. You can see it's fully unhooked, and now the fan won't spin when we turn the switch on. Okay, and now the metal plate needs to go on. Plate is on, and now the back cover. There we go, and now we're ready for our test. Okay, and here we go. We have it powered on. Now it's just a matter of time to see how long it takes for it to overheat. Okay, and here we have the error, and it basically said the console is too hot, so it's turning off. So now let's get the fan back plugged in, and let's see if it'll turn on. So the fan is now plugged back in. I've got the metal plate back on, but the question is, did the overheating mess anything up, or will it work just fine? Let's turn it on and see what it says. And so far, everything looks good. And we are right where we left off. Now the fan was spinning when I first turned it on, but just that little amount was enough to cool it down so it will work normally. Now I did have it on for about 20 minutes. I forgot to start my timer for about 5 minutes, so it was on for about 20 minutes downloading and then playing the game before it did actually overheat. So it actually took quite a while to overheat. So that's fairly impressive for such a small console. If you're having overheating issues, there's several things that you may want to check. Make sure that it is well ventilated and make sure there's nothing blocking this. And then on the rear case, make sure there's nothing blocking these vents. If you hold it in such a way that blocks these, then that could possibly cause a problem with overheating. Also, make sure that it stays clean. The fan is nice and clean. If it gets dirty, you can blow it out with canned air, or you can use a toothbrush to clean it out. Whatever works for you. You can use a vacuum, whatever works. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for supporting the channel, and we'll see you next time. Now in order to overheat the Switch as quickly as possible, I'm gonna remove the back cover. In order to overheat the Nintendo Switch as quickly as possible, I'm going to remove the back cover, the plate, and unhook the fan so we can... In order to overheat the Nintendo and unplug the fan, back plate, remove the metal... The back plate, the metal... In order to remove the metal plate,